Using Damplifier Pro and Luxury Liner Pro together will make a loud car 50% or more quieter. That's 10 decibels or more of noise reduction. Need I say more?
You're looking to soundproof your car? You better do it the right way. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do just that. We're gonna go over how to get the best out of the materials you buy, and we're gonna go over the key install locations that you need to prioritize. Because you see, one common misconception we get all the time when car soundproofing is thinking that you can use one cheap layer that'll take care of all your car sound issues. So just hang tight, sit back, relax. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get into it. Whether you're looking to restore a vintage vehicle, improve your car audio, or just plain everyday folk having car sound issues, stay tuned. We'll tell you exactly what you need to do for your specific needs. And I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. We're doing a $1,000 giveaway for our 1,000 subscriber special. Thank y'all so much for helping us get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll tell you more details about the giveaway later on in the video, so make sure you watch all the way through so you don't miss your chance to win. There are two types of noise in a vehicle: airborne and structural. Airborne noise comes from your engine, your exhaust, and your tires. This type of noise travels through the air and you can hear it. Structural noise comes from when you go over bumps in the road that vibrate the metal components of your car and you can feel it. When soundproofing your car, you need to think in terms of layers. For the first layer, you need a high quality sound deadener to reduce those structural vibrations. And for that, you need Damplifier Pro. These sound deadening mats act as a shock absorber, reducing that vibrational energy and making your car quieter. So if you stop the vibrations, you stop the noise. Second layer gets rid of airborne noise. For that, you need to use Luxury Liner Pro. Luxury Liner Pro is mass-loaded vinyl and closed-cell foam fused together, making it rated great for soundproofing airborne noise. What you're doing is creating a sound barrier with 100% coverage between you and the airborne noise. A common misconception is thinking you can put just any old foam in your car and expecting it to be soundproof. That's not going to be good enough. Using Damplifier Pro and Luxury Liner Pro together will make a loud car 50% or more quieter. That's 10 decibels or more of noise reduction. 10 decibels or more of noise reduction. Need I say more? Our customers typically see the most sound issues with their doors, their floors, and their cabin side firewall. So those are definitely areas that you'd want to prioritize. Obviously, the more areas you treat, the better. As promised, we're doing our 1,000 subscriber special giveaway. 2 lucky winners will win $500 towards a Second Skin Audio car soundproofing shopping spree. To enter the giveaway is simple. Number 1, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down below what you drive and what type of noise in your vehicle is driving you crazy. Good luck. We have various kits and packages on our website so you can prioritize the part of your car that's giving you the most issues. If you have any questions about anything we talked about today, feel free to comment down below, give us a call, or visit our website at secondskinaudio.com. Thanks for watching.